Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Nissan Altima 2013 to 2018? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine Compartment Fuse Box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2013 to 2018 Nissan Altima powers and protects key systems like the ECU, headlights, cooling fans, and ABS. It ensures safe and efficient electrical operation under the hood. The fusible link block in the 2013 to 2018 Nissan Altima protects main circuits like the battery and starter by disconnecting power during high current flow. Passenger Compartment Fuse Box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2013 to 2018 Nissan Altima controls and protects various interior electrical features, including power windows, door locks, interior lights, dashboard instruments, and the audio system. It ensures safe power distribution and guards these systems against overloads or short circuits. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.